Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 and today I will show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold power key and select power off. And once the device is off, all you need to do is hold power key and volume up, both of those keys at the same time. And when you see the HUAWEI logo, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, you can just simply tap on the option that you wish to do. And as you can see, you can restart the device, which just goes back to the Android, clear data, which includes reset of the device, update the device, or boot it back into the safe mode. So whatever you choose, just tap on it. I will select restart. There we go. And it automatically begins. Now for things like the factory data reset, you will need to do a couple additional steps. For instance, like typing yes to confirm that you want to reset it. But for the things that don't actually remove anything, you can just simply tap on it and it will automatically perform the option. So let's give it a couple more seconds and there we go. So we're back in Android. And let me just put it in. And there we go, we're back in Android. So that is how you boot in and out of the recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.